Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla, and here we love to talk about all things luxury and high-end makeup and beauty. So today I have a little basket here of empties. It's not too many, but I feel like it's enough to where I can make a video about it because I do have some very strong thoughts about these products. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, then just keep watching. So the first empty that I have are these two Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. So this is the flavor, I almost said shade, grapefruit, and this is pear. Now, I know they look like they maybe have a little tiny bit left in them. This one I just keep like in my kitchen, and this one I keep in my purse, and they're just like really old. I mean, there's like a tiny bit left in here. Also, unfortunately, which this is why I have been not posting these past 2 weeks, I've unfortunately had COVID. I'm doing better now, but that's why you hear a little bit of like the congestion and stuff. But I was using these and I was like, well, you know what? I don't want to keep using them after using them with COVID. Maybe it's just me, but I do think that that's a good idea, and they were on their last leg anyways. I have repurchased both of these. Again, this one stays in my kitchen because for some reason I'm always reaching for a balm to put on in my kitchen, and this one stays in my purse just to use every day. But I have repurchased these. This is probably like my third or fourth tube of these. So these are the only like real flavors that I've tried, and I mean I like them. This one's clear, and this one has like a tiny little bit of a, let me see if I can show you. Ugh, it's kind of gross. It's kind of got a little bit of a berry kind of color, but I mean, it ends up looking clear on your lips. They're so hydrating. They're so nice. I use the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask at night too in the little pot, but these for the daytime, I mean, I haven't really found any that work as good for me as these do. They're just very hydrating. They smell great. They taste great. And yeah, I really like them. So next, oh my gosh, this doesn't happen very often, but I finished a foundation, y'all, and it is this Chantecaille Future Skin foundation. Almost said cushion. This is obviously not a cushion, in the shade Aura. So this is the potted version, just to show you. I did use it all up. This is what I wear every day under my mask, like to work, and that's why I've used it up. It doesn't break me out. It keeps my skin hydrated all day. I've started using I do have another pot of this, by the way, opened, but I started using the Tower 28 Sunny Days Tinted Sunscreen, and I am obsessed with it. Don't get me wrong, I'm gonna use up the other one, but as far as price and how it looks and how it feels on my skin, I think that the Tower 28 is definitely more dewy. This one does not have SPF, and it's way cheaper. I think the Chantecaille is like $70-something and the Tower 28 is like $30-something. So for something that I'm going to be using every day, I really just wanted to try the Tower 28 one out. But y'all, I mean, I'm obsessed with this foundation. Like, I think this is maybe the second or third one that I've gone through, like I said, just because I wear it under my mask every day. It's very hydrating on my skin. I feel like it just creates this, I don't want to say barrier because it's not a barrier, but it just makes my skin feel so good, especially having to wear that mask all day, and I really love it. So if you're not new here, you know I love Chantecaille, so this is kind of Chantecaille heavy. I also went through another one of their Rose de May cleansing balms. This is the only cleansing balm, y'all, I will ever use. It's, oh gosh, and it just smells so good. I've already opened another one. I already have another backup of this. It is a little pricey, but I have never found something that removes my makeup so well without breaking me out. And you know, I've talked about this product before, but it's almost like a lotion. It's not like a balm kind of texture. It's almost like a lotion. It removes all of my makeup every day. It doesn't break me out. I'm already on another one, like I said, and I've already got another backup coming. Honestly, I'm scared to try anything else because anything else that I have ever tried breaks me out. So I'm like, you know what? This works. I love it. So I'm just gonna keep repurchasing it. Next is another Chantecaille product, and it is the Bio Lifting Serum. This is my second bottle of this that I've gone through. I'm already on another bottle of it. This is my daytime serum. I put it on first after I cleanse my face. This stuff is so amazing, y'all. Again, it's expensive. So I have actually thought about, because I don't have a backup, okay? So I'm using this one right now because I did have another one. But I'm kind of thinking about maybe purchasing that new #1 de Chanel serum. I don't even know the name, y'all. The red Camellia, the one that came out like unexpectedly at Ulta. I did a review on the foundation, which I will link down below. I'm kind of, it's still pricey, but it's not nearly as pricey as this one. So I'm kind of thinking about picking up the Chanel one instead of this one. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've tried that Chanel one and this one, which one you think, or which one you like better, or if you think I should pick up the Chanel to give it a try. I'm thinking about price here, y'all. And really this year I'm trying to, I'm not gonna say a low buy or a no buy, but I'm really trying to be more conscious about my makeup purchases and really only purchase things that really speak to me and that I really, really, really want, rather than just being like, well, I need everything that comes out. So yeah, I'm thinking about the price of this as well, because the Chanel is significantly cheaper. So let me know what you think. I love this though. Like I said, I'm using another one. I love this. And if it was cheaper, I probably wouldn't even be thinking twice about the Chanel one, but I've heard really good reviews about it, and this one's like double the price of that one. So let me know. I do love this though. It's fantastic. So I also use the Stress Repair Concentrate from Chantecaille. Y'all, I don't know if y'all remember, okay, but in last year, 2021 Chantecaille sale, I was talking about how I'd already been using this forever. Y'all, I finally finished it. I'm not kidding. I'm really not kidding when I say this lasted me for a whole year, okay? You have to use such a small amount of it, but you still get like the maximum impact. It's expensive, but seeing that it lasted me a whole year, I can really justify this one. Like only having to buy eye cream once a year, like it's kind of a big deal. It's tiny, but I'm telling you, you do not need a lot. I've already opened up another one of these, and I absolutely love it. It's my holy grail. This I will continue to repurchase because like I said, it lasts a whole year. If it doesn't, then you're using too much, in my opinion. You really, really don't need much, and it is so beautiful. Okay, only have 2 more Chantecaille products, okay? Sorry, not sorry. But I also used up this Jasmine and Lily Healing Mask from Chantecaille. This mask, it smells amazing, okay? This is the most beautiful, for me, sleeping mask, okay? I use this every other night on my skin, except for like on the weekends, because I do, I don't want to say dermaplane because I'm not like an esthetician or anything, but I get the little eyebrow razors and I do shave my face. So the night that I do that, I use the Chantecaille Gold Recovery Repair, I'll pop a picture right here, mask on my face, because you know those pores are really open and my skin really needs that hydration. But other than that, I use this on my face every other night. On the nights that I don't use it, I just have my Retinol Intense by Chantecaille. And on the nights that I do, I put on the Retinol Intense, let that sink in for a while, and then I put this on over the top. And for sensitive skin, this stuff is just divine. It's hydrating, it's cooling. I wake up and it's like the redness isn't as prominent on my cheeks, and I have another one of these. I opened up a sample size of it, which I'm using right now, and I will continue to repurchase this. I highly, highly, highly recommend this for sensitive skin as a sleeping mask. It's so, so pretty. And then I also use up the Rose de May cream, which is my favorite moisturizer. I had a sample of the Bio Lifting cream. Since that one's a little bit thicker and more rich, I have been using that one since it's kind of cold. But this is my typical go-to moisturizer, again, for sensitive skin. It's amazing. It just absorbs into your skin. It works beautifully under makeup, and the rose component of it really does help my acne, and it's just really, really beautiful. I have another pot of this for whenever I finish that sample size of the Bio Lifting cream, and I will most likely continue to repurchase this one. So last but certainly not least is a shampoo and conditioner. They're dirty, I'm sorry, but it's the Oribe shampoo, I think it's called, yeah, shampoo and conditioner for beautiful color. This is my holy grail shampoo and conditioner, y'all. Sometimes I'm like, oh, I want to try this new thing that came out or something like that, but I always end up going back to this one. I just feel like for my red hair, it just preserves my color so beautifully. It smells amazing, okay? And okay, this is probably really gross, but I only wash my hair once a week. I used to be an everyday hair washer, but finally I was like, why am I doing this? It makes me feel clean, but I'm like, it really isn't that good for your hair. So I only wash my hair once a week. I love these. I've already opened up another bottle of these. The smell is just, oh gosh, it's so good. And it's really hydrating on my hair. It really does, I feel like, make a difference in preserving my color in between stylist appointments. And I just really, really love it. I actually try to pick it up every year during the Sephora sale so that I can get it a little bit cheaper. And that's what I did this year to save a little bit because it is pricey. But again, I only wash my hair once a week, so I don't have to purchase it too often. So that's all my empties. I have gone through a couple of little like samples that I've gotten, specifically the Sisley neck cream. I got a sample of that. I'll pop a picture of like the actual product right here. And I'm working on another sample of it, and I like really, really like it. I was using it every other night just so it's kind of like sparingly. I might, if I can find it on sale, end up purchasing it, y'all. So I'll be 32 this year, and I just feel like, you know, just to preserve my youthfulness. That sounds so obnoxious. I feel like I kind of want to start using a neck cream, and I really do enjoy that one, so I might purchase the full size of it. I also went through some samples of the Sisley hair oil, which I will pop a picture of right here. I ended up purchasing the full size of that. I use it on the ends of my hair after I wash it while it's still wet. Smells amazing, and I really do feel like it just makes my hair so shiny. I've noticed fewer split ends, and it's just really, really beautiful. So those are all the products that I've used up. Let me know in the comment section down below if you use any of these products, or what products you tend to go through very quickly, or like what are some of your holy grails that you're constantly repurchasing. So after this week, I should be back to my regular posting schedule, Tuesdays and Thursdays. Again, thank y'all so much for your understanding. I'm so glad to be feeling better, able to film again. So back to your regularly scheduled programming next week, Tuesdays and Thursday uploads. So if you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you like my content, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of our little fam here on YouTube. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there too. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.